Matley wants to go out? Huh? Do you want to go out? It's Daddy.
Did you take him out yet?
Yes, I did.
You didn't bite any of those flowers, right?
Flowers?
The purple flowers?
No.
Okay. I bought you lunch.
Oh, hey, you bought me lunch. Thank you, Daddy. What is it?
Oh, this dog. Oh, this dog is key.
Oh, that's so sweet. Kiss mommy too. No, you're supposed to sleep like around 9. But today, no, he didn't sleep. Let's see what Daddy got for mommy. Daddy, what do you get for me? Thai curry. Yay, 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 yay. Okay. Oh, snacks. Okay. I want to see the snacks. Okay. You bought me eggs, honey? Okay. Not yet. Thank you, Daddy.
Here.
Oh, okay. Yes, this one. This one is good, perfect for my hair. This one. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Look. It falls down from my head because this one is narrow. This one is very perfect for my big hair. Okay, I like this one. Oh, let's check. Got me my cotton round pads. Para sa kanya. Woo! Like this. Oh, this is new one actually. Doritos. Cheese. Chicken. Daddy, do you want to take Matley out?
I'll make you deal with you. I'll take him out, but I want you to go out there first and remove all the purple flowers.
No, don't make it just for a walk. Don't make him play.
Dude, he's going to eat those flowers. They're poison.
What? Dumplings. Honey, how did you know I like this? It's like shumai. Look, steamed. Oh, bad time. I forgot. It's still hot. Ooh, yummy. And this is Mommy's lunch. I'm doing the laundry, guys. So maingay sa background. Nagdarating lang ni Paul from the gym and the store. Goes up, pad thai, and shumai with soy sauce. Such a good boy. Matley is such a good boy. Yay. Yay. You're going out with Daddy. Yay. Mommy will help you. Yeah. Okay, good boy. Yes. Let me go. Let me go. It's nice out here, Wendy. You're so cute. Oh, it's so nice today. Oh, sunny. Let's try the pad thai. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for the meal. Same taste every single time. So tasty. What are you doing? Yay! Daddy's making cookies again.
I use one.
You what?
One.
Just one banana?
Yeah. I'm not making it's not going to be a big batter.
Oh. What? What? No, that's garbage. Look, Daddy is making something again. What does Motley want? Huh? You want treats? Are you a good boy? Are you a good boy? Hmm? Yeah. Okay. Motley, sit. Sit. Good boy. Give me your paw. Good boy. Give me your paw. Good boy. Oh, God. No, don't lick the floor. Okay. Okay. Good boy. Wow. Look at that bone treats. Looking good. And that's it. Good job, Daddy. Motley. No, play a toy. Oh my God. Oh my God. You like the toy?
They're like my shop list. I like to use the regular because I really love.
Wow, banana, peanut butter, and oatmeal treats. They're done. Looks good. Daddy, they look so good. Yep. Wanna try it?
Not too many of those because they're sweeter.
Look.
They're good. They are good.
Yum.
A real tiny piece, but not
So good. Want this it? Are you not hungry, Motley? Huh? Hi. Hi, Motley. Hi, let's eat. Come on. Ito yung breakfast niya. Hindi niya inubos yung pagkain niya. Ang ginawa namin, nilagay namin dito yung food niya. So, dito siya magpo-forage ng food niya. Lagay natin. So, scatter lang, ganyan. Tapos, hahanapin niya yun. Ang gagawin ko, guys, i-mixan ko may treats ako dito. So, lalagyan ko ng treats niya. Para gaganahan, ayun, nalaman niya maglagay ako ng treats. Tatalon sana siya. Mahikap pa. Ito yung pumpkin treats na luto ng daddy niya. So, lagay natin dito. Oh, sabi pala ng daddy niya, hindi ko i-crumbs. Itong alaga namin. Matakaw siya talaga sa treats. Napakatakaw. Okay? Eat your kibbles as well. Eat your food. Not just the treats. Mommy will put more food. Lagyan natin. Mix natin dito. Yay! Yay! Daddy is home. Motley's so happy. Yay, Daddy! Wow.
The dog's cute.
There's food. There's food. Oh, you got a new toy. I have to distract him, guys, because gusto niya lumabas. Tumakbo siya sa pintuan kanina pagkadating ni Paul. And Paul went back to the car kasi pumunta siya sa Manila Grill. It's a Filipino restaurant. Ibang restaurant. Kakarating lang niya sa bahay. Binigyan niya ako ng Filipino food. So, ay kakain tayo ng Filipino food today. So happy! And then Motley is so happy dahil itong toys na to, actually, dalawang toy. 2 toys. Come here! Oh my God! Come! Look! Ooh! You got a new toy! Mommy got a new toy to play! Yay! Wow! Alright! Wow, Daddy, you spent the whole day out today. So many food. Yeah. What is this? Okay. This is your toy. Let's see what Daddy got for Mommy. Got me a matcha roll, my favorite. Green tea. Yeah. So many food. Wow. Order ako ng Jeffrocks. Ito is the luto sana yung order ko. Binigay niya sa kaya pala sabi niya nasa bag, nasa plastic. Kasi hilaw. Gusto ko yung luto. Mahirap magluto dito sa bahay ng dried fish kasi nangangamoy. Ano ba yan? Akala ko makakain na ako ng tuyo ngayon. Di pala. Nasayang. Oh, this is rice. Nauna talaga ang kanin. Oh, ito nilagang baboy. Nilagang baboy. Oh, sabaw lang. Where's the ano? Sinaseparate yata nila ang laman. Bakni. Oh, ito yung laman. Oh. Skewered pork. Belly. Tapos, pakbet. Mainit pa sila. To think, malayo ang Manila Grill dito. It's 30 minutes away from my house, guys. By highway yan. Malayo-layo. Ang ano kasi, itong isa dito sa malapit sa bahay, yung binilhan namin ng sinigang last time. Malapit lang siya, mga 10 minutes. Kaso, hindi kasi yung pure Filipino restaurant. Fusion siya ng Thai, Vietnamese, and Filipino, and I guess Japanese and Korean. So, fusion siya ng mga Asian food. Ito kasing pinupuntahan ni Paul ngayon, Filipino authentic talaga ang mga binibenta nila. Kaya gusto ko sila. And this is the pakbet. Oh, it smells so good. Oh! Amoy ano? Amoy. Shrimp paste. Yay! Amoy ginamos. What is this? Oh, okay. I forgot. Oh, ito yung ano, ito yung mga sakog laman ng nilaga. So, baboy. Ayan, typical Filipino nilaga. So good. Hi! And then what's this? Ito yung isda, pampano. Yan, pinaputok na pampano. Parang grilled. Pinaputok ba to? Okay, parang may laman sa loob. So, grilled pampano fish with sauce. Sarap na ito, guys. Kakain si Olga. Okay, let's eat. Wow! Fiesta sa bahay. Kaya lang, ano ba? Bakit binigyan ako ni Tudong ng ano? Ng hilaw na Jeffrocks. Paano ko lulutuin to? Alright, itatago natin to. Kasi pero yung Jeffrocks na ano guys, dried fish, dito ko lang siya narinig. Wala akong narinig na ganyan sa Pilipinas. Manipis siya. Tapos, masarap. Hindi masyadong maalat. Kaya hindi siya masyadong ano, nangangamoy. Super hungry. Mag-alas-alas na ng hapon. Buong araw talaga ang asawa ko sa labas ngayon kasi pumunta sa gym, nag-workout. Tapos natapos siya mga alas 12. Tapos nag-stop pa siya sa store kasi may mga return siya. Tapos sabi ko gusto ko ng Filipino food. So nag-drive siya papunta doon. Malayo-layo din yun. So dumating siya sa bahay ngayon. Mag-aalas 3 na. Sabi ko, buong araw ka sa labas. Tapos, aalis na naman siya kasi hindi siya nakabili ng iba pang dapat bilhin sa regular na grocery store. So, aalis na naman siya. So, ako lang mag-isa kumakain, guys. Kasi, si Apam, hindi siya mahilig sa Filipino food. Pansit, kumakain siya minsan. Pero, umiwas kasi siya sa mga carbs eh. Kahit rice, hindi siya kumakain. So, wala. Ako lang. Enjoy myself. Madami food. Alam nyo ba, matagal tong maubos. Siguro minsan nga, pag bumili ako, minsan maabot ng mahigit 1 linggo. So, kain. Gusto makita nyo guys. Ayan na ang nilaga. Pakbak. Sabaw ng nilaga. Ang laman para sa nilaga. Barbecue. Grilled fish. Mukbang na. Honey. Try one, honey. Why not? I'm washing the mat, honey. So good. Perfect kasi maulan ngayon. It's been gloomy outside. So good. Still hot.
I'm gonna dump these. These are old now. I don't want to get them.
You wanna dump the whole?
They're old. Baby.
Oh my God! Sayang yung Cheerios.
But you're gonna eat them. I'm not gonna eat them.
I don't like Cheerios. Hindi ako mahilig with Cheerios.
Come on, boy. Fox is hungry.
Come, Atli. Ang ingay ng ano sa background. Okay. Missy? Yeah, good boy. What else? Did you finish it? No, there's still some. Finish it, Matli. Finish your food. I have to be creative, guys, sa pagpapakain sa kanya kasi pag hindi niya gagalawin yung food niya. Kaya gusto kong magpalit ng food niya kasi habang tumatagal, parang hindi na niya nagustuhan yung food niya. Gusto na lang niya palaging treats. Pasensya na sa ingay ng laundry kasi yung nilabhan ko is mabigat. Ang tawag dito, para sa ano ba? Mat. Para sa banyo. Mabigat siya. So, nilabhan ko. But anyway, yeah, so yung food niya is minimix ko ng treats na favorite niya, which is yung banana na treats na luto ng asawa ko kahapon. So, ayan, kumakain siya at least. Buti na lang. I'm also watching this walking tour in Santorini, Greece. Kasi, who knows guys, one day makapunta tayo dyan sa lugar na yan. So beautiful. It's nice.